Okay, hi guys, and welcome to or back to my channel. This is Keela from Keela's Publishing, bringing to you guys another video. Guys, I know I'm uploading a bit earlier than I normally do, but I'm so excited I really wanted to share this with you guys. Remember last week I talked to you guys about step-by-step tutorial on how to publish your book on KDP. Now, if you haven't seen that video, please go and look on the description and you'll see a link to that video, or I'll leave it somewhere on the screen. Now, I had a lot of issues with uploading on KDP because if you are a KDP publisher, you know how long the process is to publish a book. Sometimes it will take like 10 minutes to publish one book. And if you are a person that makes a lot of books, that can be a bit difficult for you. So I found a secret weapon that I decided to share with you guys. I am going to show you guys how to bulk upload your books on KDP. You can upload up to 30 books in 10 minutes depending on how fast you can do this. 10 books in 10 minutes, you know. It's beating down the amount of time that it normally takes. So I uploaded 40 books in the span of 2 days using this method. Now before you guys come for me, these 40 books are not high content or medium content. I am not Superwoman. These books are my line journals, my planners, and some keepsakes. So they weren't hard for me to make. My advice to you guys is to make one interior, one high quality interior. Take your time to make it, and then make 5 different covers to go with that interior. And no, you are not scamming anyone, and it's not duplicate content. Remember, every customer on Amazon is different. So some people might like a minimalistic type of book, and some people would like more of an extravagant, cute, or fancy book. So you are meeting the needs of all of your customers. So when you're doing low content books, you can publish different covers with the same interior. When you are doing picture books or educational books, it's a bit more tricky when coming to that because that's duplicate content. Things like puzzles, for example. If someone buys a puzzle book from you and then you just change the color but has the same interior, that customer might be buying thinking that it's a newer version or a newer model of puzzle, a different level, which is misleading them. But with things like planners and notebooks, where it's basic information on the inside or just plain lines, it's not duplicate content because it's not like a series or different levels required in that type of book. It's not an activity book. So it's all well and good and it's all okay, but you have to make sure that both your cover design and your interiors are high quality. So create one good interior and 5 to 10 different covers to go with them. One to suit each person's need. So one to suit a minimalistic, one to suit a basic or a simple person, more like the minimalistic, but it have some people that will just like a black cover with just some writing in front, and that's it. So you guys can be creative and let your creativity run wild in that sense, but I'm going to show you guys how to do the bulk uploads so that you can actually publish 5, 10, 15 books in the day for KDP. KDP has no limit to the amount of books that you can upload for that day. Alright, so I don't want this video to be too long and I'm done rambling on. So let's just get straight into it. So once you have watched my video from last week, you would know how to get to this page, this publishing page, and I already set it up. I already set up some prompts to make things easier. All right. So this is one of my books that I made recently. Guys, I'm completely transparent with you. If you want to know my books, you can just check the link in the description. I have my author page tagged to the bottom, and you can just go on there and you can check out my books. You can purchase some if you like for inspiration, or you can just watch it for inspiration. Just don't copy anything fully. Okay, be unique and be your own person. Alright, so we have Mom, Please Tell Me Your Story Guided Prompt Journal of Life Storybook, Memory Keep Safe book, and then we have my author name, which is Keela's Publishing. No, it's Keela's book, or is it Keela? I think it's Keela's publishing for this book. All right. And then for description, let's just write some random words there. Even though you all know that you have to take time into your description, I'm just trying to do this quickly. Okay, so you see everything's already filled out here, including the keywords. I own the publishing, right? So you're doing all of this for your first page, right? And then you are going to go and download this extension called KDP Autofill. I'll leave a link in the description. If I do forget to leave a link, you guys can always just go on Google and type in KDP Autofill and you will get it there also. So what this tool does is it duplicates your what you filled out on your KDP form, so you don't have to keep going back and writing over the title and writing over the subtitle. Okay, the only thing with this, or the only issue, let me do it while I'm on this page. The only issue I have with this Chrome extension is that when you duplicate the pages, you lose the description and the categories. Those are the two things that you would have to manually fill in, but it still cuts down the time by a million. Alright, so then we come here now and we're just going to press duplicate. We're going to right click on this tab and then we're going to press duplicate. Right, and then voila, there you have it. So as I said before, the description and the categories are the two things that you have to make sure and change. So the way I do this so that it doesn't frustrate me is I copy it, Control A and Control C, and then I just paste it here, and then I just manually look for the categories. But other than that, all you're doing is you're duplicating this. Let's say you're making 5 of this book bulk copy, and you fill all of this out. You insert your descriptions, and then that's it. Alright, you do that for all 5, and then before you know it, you're literally done. So these 5 books will be published at the exact same time. Alright, all you go and do now is you press save, save and continue, save and continue, and that's it. Right, and that's all. You have completed 5, 6, 7 books just from that one method. Alright, I just thought I would share that with you guys. I learned that like this week, 2 or 3 days ago, and I have been killing it since then. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I know sometimes it can take forever to upload your book. So for example, these are the Mom Please Tell Me Your Story books that I uploaded in bulk. I think I did like 9 of them. Now these books are not easy to make. I'm telling you now, these books are not easy to make. The Mom Please Tell Me Your Story prompt journals, you have to actually find questions and place them in. I think the interior alone took me about 2 days or 3 days to make. So yeah, so I did that with a lot of books. All these books that you're seeing here, plus the first 3 tabs, is what I uploaded the last few days. Alright, so you guys, that's it. I know that this video maybe was all over the place because I had so much things I want to tell you guys. Also, my KDP account, I realized that since I slowed down in posting up books, my sales has dropped drastically. I have not made any sales this month, which is a bit saddening, but at the same time I know it's in the business. You win some, you lose some. I have made some free book sales, so that's still good. And I'm watching to see now that I'm doing bulk uploads if that will increase my KDP sales drastically, and if it does, then you guys already know the secret weapon from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't think it was long. I hope it was not, and I will see you guys next week. I will leave my link for my author page in the description so you can check that out. Let me know what you think about my books, if there's anything that you find I should improve. I really do appreciate your guys' comments. It really helps me keep going, and it also lets me know what my customers would think, looking at things from a different point of view. So guys, that's all for this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.